Ahoy, mateys! Captain Microwave is going to be cooking some blueberries for you today. Not just one, but a whole host of blueberries. You see all them blueberries? Well, they're going to be going into Demi, the microwave. It's a cold winter's day and your captain wants to put blueberries on his oatmeal, but they'll cool it off. So what does he do? A little experiment to heat up the blueberries to see if it's a smart idea. Alright, this one is going to be done for 2, 2, 2. Hope I didn't insert an extra 2 accidentally. So after 3 minutes I'll stop it manually. Time to examine the post product and that doesn't look good. Shouldn't have did the blueberries in the crate. Never doing that again. Apparently even if I wouldn't have did the blueberries in the crate, would have still made a mess. So I'm going to say microwaving your blueberries is a bad idea. They just explode, make a mess everywhere, and weird, I expected it to be a good idea, but this is apparently not something you want to try at home. I mean, maybe if you microwaved your blueberries on your cereal, it would be a good idea, but microwaving straight blueberries? No, don't do it. It's messy. Though it is kind of harmless, so is it really a bad idea? I mean, it does make an interesting little spectacle. Gee, I don't know. Only one thing can come from that. It's a push.